For years, the Yost LV4 has been the go-to vise for homeowners. From DIY furniture repairs to small welding projects, it's helped thousands of people get the job done in their garage or shed. Now, meet the next step in the homeowner lineup, the brand new Yost LV6. Let's show you all the reasons why we're so excited about this vise. And if anytime you want to learn more or purchase, just follow the link in the description below. The LV4 has been a trusted homeowner's vise for years. It's one of the best-selling tools in its class. Simple, tough, and always ready to help with projects around the house. Now we're introducing the next step for homeowners who want more capability, the brand new Yost LV6. With a jaw width of nearly 6 inches and a 5-inch opening, the LV6 gives you more clamping space for bigger jobs in your home shop. Whether you're working with wood, fixing a car part, or just need to clamp down a honey-do list project, this vise has the room to handle it. Need to hold round stock? The integral pipe jaws grip tubing from just over 1/2 inch up to 2.5 inches in diameter. That makes it perfect for projects like securing conduit, pipe, or even small metal tubing. The locking swivel base rotates a full 240 degrees, so you can set your project at the perfect angle. No more fighting awkward positions, just loosen, swivel, lock, and get to work. And when you need a reliable spot for hammering, the LV6 includes a sturdy machined anvil surface, strong, flat, and ready for shaping metal or flattening metal stock. At just over 13 pounds, the LV6 is lightweight enough to move around your shop, but built strong enough to deliver reliable clamping force for your homeowner projects. For years, the LV4 has been the go-to homeowner vise, and now the LV6 takes that same reliability and adds more room, more grip, and more versatility, all at an affordable price. If you're looking for more information on this LV6 or any other Yost vise, go ahead and visit eastwood.com.